Good day everyone, good day ma'am. Today I will discuss what is two case about criminal law 2. The first case, People versus Abarca. The facts, Abarca discovered his wife in an illicit relationship with Paul Kung after the finding them together. He obtained an M16 rifle and later located and shot Ko, killing him too. Another person in the adjacent room were also hit but survived. Ruling. The Supreme Court held that Abarca was entitled to the mitigating circumstance under the Article 247 Crime Passional Exceptional Circumstances because the killing was the direct result of emotional disturbance from the affair, even though some time had elapsed. He was not liable for killing because of his mitigating circumstance. However, was still liable for injuries to the others as less serious physical injuries, no intent to kill them. And second case po ma'am is People of the Philippines versus Hogaldo 2014. The facts, the accused was charged with rape of a minor. The child victim testified that the accused sexually abused her. The defense questioned the delay in reporting and alleged inconsistencies. The ruling Supreme Court affirmed the conviction. It ruled that delay in reporting rape does not negate the crime, especially when the victim is a child minor. Inconsistencies do not impair credibility and the testimony of the child victim is entitled to great weight. That's all ma'am. Thank you ma'am.